Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra, that makes you a bunny. That makes us Kendra and the bunnies. Today we are unboxing VolPort, their foldable ring holder for MagSafe, compatible with iPhone 12 and iPhone 13. So it's going to be compatible with the newer styles of the iPhone. The MagSafe, that is saying about on the back of the iPhone, there's a certain place on the back of the iPhone that I will show you in a second that you can put onto a wireless charger that is going to charge your phone wirelessly. So this ring is not going to get in between your phone and the wireless charger. It is MagSafe. So this is super easy to find. I believe I found it on Amazon. I linked the product below in the first pinned comment. It comes with a variety of different things to help you apply the MagSafe adjustable ring. So here it is. This is going to help you grip onto your phone, hold onto your phone. It also acts as an iPhone stand, like if you're using your phone to film or if you're watching a YouTube video, like this one. Okay, so first we have our iPhone 12 mini and our 13 mini. This is so wonderful because you will put this onto the back of your phone to help you apply the MagSafe ring exactly where you should apply it. Then we've got the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 13 and 13 Pro. You're going to use this size and then you're gonna place the adjustable ring in the middle here. And then we've also got a template for the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the 13 Pro Max. I actually have an iPhone 13 Pro, so this is the template that we're going to be using. Then it comes with these. It's going to help us lift any dirt off of our phone. And our user manual. So there's two kinds of usage for the MagSafe case, or you can put it on your you can put this on your case or on your bare phone. And there's a variety of different things that you can use it for, and I will show you those. So I'm going to grab my phone that I'm filming on and get it ready to stick this MagSafe ring on, and then I'm going to use my old iPhone to film. So see you in the old iPhone phone quality. Okay, so I've got my iPhone 13 here. I'm going to go ahead and take off the case because I'm going to do this on my bare phone. Bare iPhone 13. We're going to take our alcohol pad and we're going to cleanse our phone. It actually comes with two. Cleanse of any dirt right there. Template that we have here. And we're going to place it on our phone so we know where to put our protective film. It has these on the back, so you can just peel these off. All right, we are going to place our iPhone 13 Pro alignment guide on here. Protective clear film. Directly on the phone. See how it fits perfectly right there? I'm just gonna slide this and place it. Perfect. Then I'm going to place this back on. We definitely covered the proper area that we needed to. Make sure you get any air bubbles you see out. Then we are going to open up this package. So this is actually two different pieces. Perfect. Okay, cool. So this is magnetic. So what you'll do is you'll just place it on there. And just like that, we have our ring ready to use. I can hold my phone like this on your laptop. Stand. You can use it as a phone stand. Take off the ring real quick, so easy to do that. And when we're done, we can put the ring right back on. And really, really perfect for the creator. So you're going to take this metal ring, peel off the back, and that is going to help even more stick this item to the phone, so there's even more protection than the first way I showed you to set it up. Then I am setting this directly in the middle on my protective film, and it also is magnetized so it sticks directly to the phone so easily. And then there you have even more strength, even more power. Thanks everyone for tuning in to my YouTube video today. I linked below where you can pick up these items. Love using it as like a tripod and a stand when I'm watching videos or filming stuff on the go. Thanks for subscribing. Peace.